Hello folks, I'm going to show you how to replace the replacement string in one of these Ego cordless weed whackers, string trimmers. First thing and most important thing is safety. You got to take the battery out. So we're going to take that out. Then, and I've already got the string taken out here because it ran out. Then we're going to line up these lines here that say load with these holes here that the string comes out of. So you're just going to spin this until these lines are perfectly aligned like so. The next thing you need is about 16 feet of the replacement string. 0.095 inch is the thickest. I happen to have this 0.08. I like to use the thicker stuff. It lasts longer and cuts better and cuts heavier. So I've already cut this. I measured out 16 feet. So then where you've got the lines aligned there, up at the top of this slot or bottom, depending on how you see it, there's a hole, and you got to find that hole and fish this through to the other side. Now there it goes, until it comes out the other side. So far so good. We're going to just pull this until we've got the same length on both sides, the same length of wire. There. We've got the same length on each side there. Now, you'll see these arrows on the bottom, and it says wind there. You're just going to spin this thing in that direction, and it's going to wind. And if you push down a little bit while you do it, it spins more freely. And you're going to wind this until you have about that length of wire left, because that's what will cut it off there. So when you get to that length, you can stop winding. So that's pretty good. Maybe the tiniest bit more, or you can just, that'll need to go a little bit longer. That one looks fine. It'll cut itself when you get it going. Maybe I'll just clip it there. And then the last thing to do is just to move this so the lines aren't lined up. And now that should be good. It should be good and tight. That feels good and tight. We're going to start this thing up and see if the wires extend on their own. So let's put the battery in. And we're just going to bump this on the ground somewhere. Okay. So I know that it just cut the wires to the right length, and so now I want to do it one more time and see if I can hear the wires getting cut. Yep, I tapped it on the ground. I could hear the wires being cut, and you can see they're both the exact same length. That's all you need. So there, in 5 minutes, you've replaced the wire on your Ego weed eater. This is one of the easiest. This is the easiest I've ever used. And that should be just as easy for you. There's no tricks. Good luck and thanks for watching.